Baker and Hart 2008 state is a necessity for managers to have a marketing plan. Following this concept, it is therefore a good protocol for Highland to have a marketing plan put in place. The main areas to be considered in the marketing plan for Highland are marketing objectives, including Ansoff's matrix and Boston matrix, and the key ingredients to the marketing mix. Marketing objectives are vital for a business or product to be successful. Initially, the objectives set a structure to follow with clear aims and goals to try and achieve. An initial objective would be to make Highland a successful venture at Manchester Metropolitan University. This will be done by selling the product to 50% of the student population within its first year of release. Not only is it an objective for Highland to be successful, the product also needs to be profitable. For the first year of operating, Highland aims to bring in £900,000 of revenue if the product meets its sales targets. This would be done by a correct marketing mix. After Highland becomes established with MMU, the next step is to take the idea nationwide and sell the product to universities up and down the country. So each university can be compatible with the Highland systems, and to ensure product development, mergers with major companies such as Apple and Amazon could be necessary. To summarise where Highland wants to be, a Boston matrix can be used. If Highland is not marketed correctly, it could fall under the problem child category and receive a low market share in a segment that is already crowded with big players. With the help of a good marketing plan, though, Highland will hopefully become a star with high market share in the revision aid markets. Over time, it could also develop into a cash cow while moving into a wider market. This can be prolonged with the cooperation of merging with big companies like Apple and Amazon. Looking at Ansoff's matrix shows the ways in which Highland can gather more market share, widen the perimeter, develop existing products, and diversify the current product to something new to generate revenue.
By performing the 4Ps tool of analysis, Highland can look in depth at the price, promotion, place, and product. Using the 4Ps will help understand and exceed customer needs better than competitors. The introductory price of Highland will be £59.95 when sold from the Student Union and the website. This price has been decided based on how much the product and packaging costs to design, produce and distribute, and also in relation to other MP3 players currently on the market. As Highland is an internal product of MMU, advertising will be performed through open days, fairs and on MMU's own website. The aim is to create a pull strategy by creating hype for the product on open days. This would create high demand for Highland, which could also be achieved by offering a sales promotion. This should help boost quick sales in the first few weeks of term and encourage students to purchase the product. Highland will be sold on an internet website and through the MMU Student Union. If the product becomes nationwide, Highland could be sold via Amazon or Apple, as Amazon ranks as the most popular outlets for buying personal media players. The distribution will be indirect because it does not go straight from the manufacturer to the consumer.
The Highland is an innovative and unique product. The product uses technology to provide the user with state-of-the-art revision aid. With more and more people applying to attend universities and the audio market forecasted to grow by 8% by 2012, the Highland is in prime position to launch itself onto the market. The anatomy of the product consists of 4 categories. The first is its potential. The product could adapt to contain visual features in the future. The second category is argumented, which includes after-sales services and a warranty for the duration of the student's course. The third stage is tangible and focuses specifically on the packaging of the product, which will be suited to the target audience. The final category is core and relates to the functions and ability of the product, which will be to be able to revise on the go. Eventually, the life cycle of the product will decline as other similar products enter the market. After conducting a marketing strategy, Highland has been able to identify what factors will need to be considered to achieve the objective of 50% of MMU students owning a Highland. By using marketing concepts such as the 4Ps, Highland has been able to recognise what components could affect the potential for success. The product's possibility for achievement is enhanced by the presence of a good solid marketing strategy, which should enable Highland to profit from this venture.